Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us in another video of Home Gardening 480. She started without me here. As you can see there, she already transplanted two of these parsleys, one right there. So, are we transplanting them by plugs or are we?
Yeah, no, we're doing just the whole plug.
Okay.
And I'm just planting next to this grown-up parsley I have. And we're gonna do this whole little section as a bunch of parsley so that we can pick stem by stem and use it without killing the whole plant.
Okay.
So you know, if you're gonna cook with herbs, you want to keep the plant going, so you don't want to take the whole thing. So you want to have enough that you can trim a little from each plant without killing the plant. So that's what we're gonna do here.
So you already did the holes right here.
Yep.
The size of the plugs.
I might have to
about, and then just transplanting them all here.
Yep.
With this parsley that's already in there.
And each of these has a couple of plants at least each, so should be pretty good in case, you know, one or two die, but should be fine.
You can also see that they were ready to be transplanted. You can see all the roots.
And there's two leaves on each, or the bigger one.
So they needed to be.
Yeah.
So now that they all have been transplanted, we are going to water them and
Move on to the next.
what are we transplanting? What's the next one?
Thyme and sage.
Okay, so we're gonna move on to those, and they're gonna go right there at the end of the bed. First thing we have to do is we have to fix this ground right here for it. So clean it all up and even it out, and then put water on it because it's very dry, and then transplant. Okay, so now that everything is wet, we are going to do the transplanting, but we only have 4 of the thyme here and only 3 of the sage. This one never germinated, so we're gonna transplant. There's not that many. I thought there would be more, but anyways, we will transplant them on this area right here, and we're going to also transplant them by plugs, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Well, I might split them in half. We'll see how the roots are.
Okay, I guess once we pull them out, we'll just show you the roots, and then we'll go from there. We're gonna start with the thyme. How are the roots looking? You're splitting them?
Yeah, just split them.
Okay. So that should be it for the thyme. We had to, even though we have 4 plugs, we ended up splitting them in half because there was a lot of germination on the seeds, so we split them. So now we're moving on to the sage,
And there's just 3.
and there's just 3. Are we going to do 3 plugs, or we're going to split them?
I might split it.
We might split them. We'll see. Maybe that one you might need to split it.
Yeah, I might be able to.
But the other 2 plugs, I don't think they need to. There's very little germination on that one, so we don't have as much.
Let me see if I can split it.
Okay. And then we're gonna water, and then get the labels and put them on. Oh, I forgot one more thing. The only sprinklers that are open are these 3. These 2 are closed, so we need to open it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the backyard, open up the system. They're supposed to be coming on right now. Yeah.
How's that?
That's good. And as we transplanted this parsley, we forgot to water them. So we're doing that.
Fell over.
That one fell over, so
Yeah,
it's being fixed.
Ah, these guys fell over too. They got drowned. Something down. Make sure nobody's getting drowned.
Okay, this one's look good. So does that one. Of course, you know, they got watered on them, pushed down. Okay, get these guys up.
Put a little bit more on
There. There you go. Now they're looking.
there. Better. Oops.
They're up. There we go.
All right. That's it.
And this guy's.
Oh, that's it. Just gonna do that. Get them out.
Okay. So now we are, last thing is to put the tags so that we'll know what it is that we have. So that right there is,
oh, hold on, I'm stuck on a rock or something. Thyme,
and
sage.
okay, so what it's gonna happen here.
I'm gonna put some flowers in here.
Flowers. Okay. All right, so that will be it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on our next video.